Hey guys, welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest technology reviews. In this video, we'll be comparing two incredible SSDs from Kingston and Samsung. Make sure to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel. When it comes to pricing, the Kingston SSD is a more affordable option at just $16. On the other hand, the Samsung SSD is priced at $59. However, the Samsung SSD offers top-notch performance, making it worth the investment. In terms of performance, the Samsung SSD is the winner. With a maximum sequential read speed of 560 MBs and a larger variable buffer, it offers professional-level speeds, making it perfect for heavy workloads. The Kingston SSD boasts fast startup, loading, and file transfer speeds, but doesn't come close to the Samsung in terms of performance. Both these SSDs are known for their reliability, but the Samsung SSD edges out the Kingston SSD with an industry-defining reliability that can handle up to 600 TBW under a 5-year limited warranty. It has also been compatibility tested for major host systems and applications, making it a more reliable choice. The Kingston SSD comes in multiple capacities, making it a good option for those looking for space for applications or a hard drive replacement. The Samsung SSD also offers different capacities, but it's designed for professional-level workloads, making it the better option for gamers and professionals. And that's our comparison between the Kingston and Samsung SSDs. While the Kingston SSD is a great option for those on a budget, the Samsung SSD offers top-notch performance and reliability that makes it worth the investment. Let us know which one you would choose in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews.